Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and this is the version 100 of Mozilla Firefox web browser. Firefox has finally reached version 100, and today, May the 3rd, 2022. And it has a few improvements, a few things that it changed, and of course it has 10 security fixes also. So go on the upper right corner in the hamburger menu, go down to Help, and go to About Firefox, and you will be up to date at 100.0 as of today, May 3rd, 2022. What's new in this version? One visible change is that when you actually see the scroll bar on the right side, it actually is kind of very thin, appears and gets a little bigger as you scroll, but it's a very, very thin line. You see it's extremely small when you don't have your mouse over it. You can still see it, it doesn't go away, but that is one of the things that you might actually notice. For the rest, if you are using picture-in-picture mode on videos, for example on YouTube or Netflix or whatever, now you will have captions, subtitles displayed even in the picture-in-picture mode. So this is something interesting. I don't know if it's big enough to be read, but it will be there in the picture-in-picture mode. On the first run of the Firefox browser, you will now, at version 100, be asked if your browser, if you wanted to match the language of your system, if by any chance they're not the same. So this is something that is going to be done to make it a little easier for anybody that wants to change the language of the browser. This is the first browser to actually use something that is called the Av1 Video Extension. So basically what this means is that if you have a graphics processor that is capable of AV1, the Firefox browser, when watching a video, will actually use your GPU to render the video. Makes things a little faster and removes some of the stress to the CPU. So technically this means it's usually faster even in video mode, and shouldn't hog down or bog down your system because it uses the GPU. There is, of course, some features that are enabled for specific versions. Hdr Video Is Supported on Mac now with YouTube. So on Mac OS 11 Plus, you can now actually have HDR compatible videos via YouTube. So this is nice. There's so the scroll bar, of course, and now you have credit card autofold and capture if you are in the UK, something that wasn't there. They fixed a few bugs. One of the things that should be known, they fixed a few bugs that were in there. And, of course, 10 security fixes, including 5 that are high severity. So if you don't really care about the new features, at least you should check it out for the security updates. So Firefox 100 is here, and like all other browsers, maybe it could break something on a website, but you know, honestly, most of the people I've seen have not found anything wrong once the browser goes to version 100. So for the most part, it should be okay. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe. Just give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.